Hello students. So we are again going to solve one more MCQ problem, and this is also 1 mark problem, and this problem is from moment of inertia chapter. Actually, in this problem we will try to use or apply parallel axis theorem. So this problem is very simple, and it is given that there is a solid sphere and of radius r, and it has mass m, and this mass is uniformly distributed. And what we have to do, we have to find the moment of inertia of this sphere at the distance about the axis, which is at distance, let's say r by 2. So we have to find this moment of inertia. Let's say this is my a dash axis, and which is at r by 2 distance from the center. So we have to find the moment of inertia about this axis. So obviously it's a very simple problem. I can assume that this axis is parallel to my z axis. So I can write my parallel axis theorem, that IA dash is equal to ICM. ICM is the moment of inertia about the axis, which is passing through center of mass. And we take that axis along z axis such that these two are parallel. So we can easily use this parallel axis theorem, plus m d square. D is the distance between center of mass and this axis a dash. So this is the distance d, that is perpendicular distance actually. So in this problem, d is given that r by 2, and we know the moment of inertia about any axis which is passing through center of mass of the sphere, because the sphere is completely symmetric system. So I can choose for my convenience that we are getting the moment of inertia about z axis, and which is well known, that we know that moment of inertia of solid sphere is nothing but 2 by 5 mr square, where m is the mass of this particular solid sphere. And here we will take m, and we will just use d is equal to r by 2. So this is r by 2 whole square. So we can take mr square common, and this is 2 by 5 plus 1 by 4 is there. And if we are going to solve it, then we can get mr square, that will be 8 and plus 5 by 20 actually, and we have that 13 by 20 mr square. So this is a very simple problem, but yes, it is very conceptual. We have to remember what will be the moment of inertia of solid sphere about center of mass. Then we can easily use parallel axis theorem. Parallel axis theorem. So the answer will be 13 by 20 mr square. Thank you.